Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. Did you know bees can recognize human faces? Discover more fascinating facts about these hardworking insects. Bees are social and hardworking insects that play a vital role in maintaining the balance of Earth's ecosystem. In this video, we will explore bees, their origin, social structure, features, and some lesser-known facts about them. What is a bee? Bees are insects from the order Hymenoptera. They are mostly known for making honey and pollinating plants. There are about 20,000 species of bees found around the world in different habitats. Unlike many other insects, bees mainly live together. They work as a team in activities like pollination and honey production. Bees evolved around 100 million years ago during the Cretaceous period. They changed from carnivorous wasps into pollinating insects. The oldest fossil of a honeybee found is about 45 million years old. This evolutionary process is directly related to the development of flowering plants. A honeybee colony usually consists of 3 types of bees. Queen bee, the only fertile female in the hive responsible for laying eggs. Worker bees, these are female sterile bees. They collect nectar and pollen, clean the hive, and take care of the larvae. Drone bees, male bees whose main job is to mate with the queen. Dancing to communicate. Bees use a waggle dance to communicate the location of food sources to other bees. Special vision. Bees have 5 eyes, 2 large compound eyes and 3 small simple eyes. These eyes help them see ultraviolet light. Studies have shown that bees can recognize and remember human faces. Medicinal bees. Royal jelly produced by the queen bee has medicinal properties. Wingless bees. Squawk bees. These rare, wingless bees cannot fly. Bees can solve puzzles. Experiments have shown that bees can solve puzzles that require thinking and strategy. Honey production. To produce 450 grams of honey, bees must collect nectar from 2 million flowers. Bees can detect scents. Bees can detect different scents and quickly react to new food sources. Navigational skills. Bees can learn and remember locations. Bees have a unique heart. Bees have a different circulatory system. The importance of bees in the ecosystem and agriculture. Bees play a critical role not only in honey production, but also in ensuring food for humans and maintaining biodiversity. About 75% of agricultural crops and 90% of wild plants rely on bee pollination. Without bees, food production would face serious problems. Bees are complex and vital creatures for the Earth's ecosystem. By pollinating and producing honey, they play a key role in maintaining the balance of nature. Protecting bee populations and their health is essential for ensuring food for humans and preserving biodiversity. Due to the effects of climate change and other threats, protecting these creatures is more important than ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.